Hello everyone, I'm Gaiman here with another Make Money Online tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at the Pixsar Media App and how to use it for live streaming and make money. Pixsar Media App allows you to live stream and make money from events like weddings, corporate events, concerts, festivals, whatever you are live streaming, you can make money from it. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to the Pixsar Media App, but in later videos or in future tutorials, I will be showing you how to use the Pixsar Media app in details. We're going to look at the onboarding, how to sign up with the Pixsar Media app, how to get started, the dashboard overview. I'll take you through the dashboard, how to create your events and how to monetize them. And I'll also show you the OBS tutorial where I'll be showing you how to connect your online streaming platform like the OBS. OBS is open broadcast software that allows you to do online streaming. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification button. That way when we release a new Pixsar Media tutorial, you'll be notified. Alright, so let's get started. So what's the Pixsar Media app? So the Pixsar Media app is a platform for you and me, creators like you and me, and event organizers. For example, people who organize like corporate events, concerts, weddings. It could even be like a convention. Maybe it's a gathering where people come together to learn something and you want to live stream it. Some of your people, some of the attendees are not around and you want them to be able to follow along with live video. So this app can help you do that. So how does it do it? So besides the business side or besides the event organizers and creators like you and me, who else benefits from the Pixsar Media app, or who else can use the Pixsar Media app? As I have already mentioned, you can just download it. The Pixsar Media app has been created in a way that there is a business side, which is the B2B, and there's also the consumer side, which is the B2C. So on the B2C side or on the consumer side, these are the people that I just mentioned, the people who are attendees to the event, but they want to feel like they are actually there at the event. They want to feel like they are actually there at the concert. So you can create a link or a code which you can share with those people, and they need to download the Pixsar Media app on their mobile phone to be able to access the live events that you create. Okay, so after you create the event, you get a code that you can share with those people, and they can see the live streaming of the event, the concert, whatever it might be. All right. So that's how the Pixsar Media app works in a few words. But as I said, I'm going to be taking you through the sign up process, the dashboard, and the live streaming part, or the creation, how to create the events. Well, I know most of you might be saying that the Pixsar Media app is probably a new app or something like that. This app has been in production for over 3 years. And these guys know what they are doing. I know most of those guys from college. I know how good they are in coding, the guys behind the Pixsar Media app. And also, if you go to the website pixsar.io and check out the events tab, you are going to notice that the Pixsar Media app already has some events in it. Some people have already created events and have already monetized them. They have already made some money from live streaming their events. So it's not really a new thing. It's been there for a couple of years. It's just today that we are introducing it on the channel. As you already know, we talk about how to make money online on this channel, and Pixsar Media app is one of the apps that will allow you to make money live streaming. I think let's get out of the chit chat for this video. Let's just close this out as the intro, and let's get into the action. Let's get into the real video. Let me show you how the Pixsar Media app actually works. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to get started with the Pixsar Media app, the onboarding tutorial. Be sure to join in, and I appreciate you joining me in this tutorial. Thank you very much for joining me in this one, and I hope to see you in the next Pixsar Media tutorial.